Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain CO level attainment, which is of type 3. Now, what is type 3? You can see here type 3 consists of internal assessment of 20 marks, end sem exam of 80 marks, that means total theory marks of 100 marks, then term work of 25 marks and practical or oral for 25 marks. So, total marks for type 3 is 150. So as you can see, we have already done type 1, that is internal assessment of 20 and end-sem for 80. We had done for type 2, that is 20 plus 80 plus 25, that is for 125 marks, in which we consider term work or tutorials of 25 marks. Now type 3, we have to include oral practicals. This is for oral or practical of 25 marks. So it is total 150 marks. Type 3 is for total 150 marks. So as in type 3, it consists of internal assessment, end-sem exam, then term work, tutorial and practical. So for calculation of internal assessment and end-sem, that means for calculation of this, refer the video of type 1. For calculation of term work and tutorial, for this refer this video, that is type 2 video, and I'm making this video only for here I'm going to explain only how to calculate oral practical CO attainment for 25 marks. Now, how to map the experiment with COs? Let's say in the lab we have taken 9 experiments. Now your list may consist of 6 experiments or 7 experiments or 10 experiments, 12 experiments. So you do it accordingly. So here write experiment number. So let's assume we have taken it 9 experiments. Then write CO1, CO2, CO3, CO3. Then find out whether experiment number 1 belongs to CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5 or CO6 and tick that. Now here you can see that experiment number 1 and 2 belongs to CO1, then experiment number 3 belongs to CO2, experiment number 4 belongs to CO3, again 5 belongs to 4 and so on. So you can see, if you see this side like CO1, it is included in experiment number 1 and 2. CO2 is included in experiment number 3 and 7. CO3 is included in experiment number 4 and 8. CO4 is included in 3 experiments, that is in experiment number 2, 5 and 9. So add these tick marks. So here you got 2, 2, 2, 3, 2 and 1. CO6 belongs to only one experiment, that is experiment number 7. So it will depend on your subjects and your experiments. This is just a sample. It is not necessary that it will be exactly same. It will vary. Now add all these values. So here I got 12. You will get some other number. You may get 10, you may get 12, 14, 15, anything. So don't write 12 as it is. Now, how to do oral practical calculations? Now, for oral practical calculations, we know that it is generally for 25 marks. Or you write here as per in your syllabus. So, but generally it is for 25 marks. Now, in a semester, we have approximately 14 weeks in one semester for completing theory and practicals. We start practical after 2 weeks. That means for practicals, we get 12 weeks because total weeks are 14. We start practical after 15 days after completing some part of theory. So for practicals, we get 12 weeks. Now, how many hours are there in practical? Generally, there are 2 hours per week for one batch. For one batch, that means one student goes in a practical for 2 hours in a week. So 2 per week, number of hours. Now total hours available will be these 12 weeks into 2. So total hours available are 24. Now how many total factors? Factors will come from our previous table, this 12. So whatever is there, you might be, you will get a 10, 12, 15, whatever, you have to write it here. Now write this formula, 12 into x is equals to 24. these totals. We have to divide this factor into these parts. So 12 into x is equals to 24. So your factor gets x is equals to 2. Not necessary that it will be 2 for your subject. Now how to calculate? Total marks divided by total hours. So you have to divide marks per hour. Marks per hour. So total marks in the syllabus are 25 marks. Total hours are 24. So marks per hour are 1.041. Marks per hour. We are calculating marks per hour, that is 1.041. Now how to allot it for COs? Now use this formula. Factor for each CO. Factor for each CO means whatever you get out here. This is factor for each CO multiplied with this number into x. X means this value, whatever you get. So here we got 2. So everywhere I have written 2. This is constant. This is same. It is marks per hour because we are calculating practicals according to hours allotted. So here this is same for everything. And here the factor for each CO, you have to pick up these numbers. So it is 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Multiply. After multiplication, you will get this value. This is the CO1 attainment for 25 marks of practical. CO2 attainment for 25 marks of practical is 4.164 and then 4.164 and so on. So make this, we have to divide it like this. Its addition should be 25. So your COs are like this. That means CO attainment marks for each CO is 4.16, 4.16. I have taken up to only 2 decimal points like this. Now what you have to do? Open sheet number 7. In sheet number 7, you have to enter university exam, each CO marks. This I have already explained in type 2. So refer that and enter these marks. Enter term work and tutorial for each CO marks. This is also explained. So do it accordingly, and then here you have to attend oral practical each CO marks, additional step. So in sheet number 7, you will get one additional table. This table I have already explained in the previous. This table was available in the previous video. Now in type 3, you will get this additional table. Remember that you have to enter values wherever there is green color. Don't disturb other values. You have to enter these values. Which values we have entered? These previous table values we have entered. These CO values we have entered. These CO values we have entered in this oral practical marks table. So you have to enter these values here. Then again open sheet number 8, CO attainment. Everything is according to type 1 and type 2. Open CO attainment tab, enter following marks. Internal average marks out of 20 that I have already explained in type 1, type 2. University theory exam marks, this also I have explained in type 1. Term work tutorial marks, it is explained in type 2. And now oral practical marks of each student you have to enter. Okay, so this is only an additional step in type 3. Otherwise everything is according to type 1 and type 2. So here as I explained, you don't disturb this. For university you have to drag the formulas. Remember, for university exam term work tutorial, here in sheet number 8, here don't disturb anything, but you have to drag the formulas, otherwise you will not get correct values. Then open sheet number 9. In sheet number 9, again there is CO attainment level for internal assessment. This I have already explained in earlier videos also, but CO attainment for IA, for university exam. So you have to enter these values. You have to enter these values wherever there is green. Enter these values wherever there is green according to this table. According to this table means in this table you will automatically get these values. You will automatically get these values. Check these values, and based on this, now this is 67.65. So it comes attainment level 2. So right here, enter here 2. It is 86.76. It is here. So here enter 3. 80, it is 70 and above. So enter 3. So you have to enter values according to these table. But for that, you have to check these attainment values. Similarly, do it for university exam also. All these values will automatically change in the table according to your subject. Check carefully while entering this whether these values change in the sheet according to your values. So everything will come automatically. You have to enter values at the green row. Now next, third will be CO attainment level for term work and tutorial. So again check the same table and write these values, and this is the last, that is in type 3, that is CO attainment level overall practical. So you have to enter here. So after you enter values in all 4 tables, you will automatically get this table updated, that is final total CO attainment level for your subject. That is CO1 attainment, CO2, CO3 and CO6 attainment. So this table should come automatically. And this table should change the values according to your values. So this is your final CO attainment level for your subject. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.